Starting things off with a good old scrap.
Starting things off like a line brawl. You know this one's personal.
They should just be grateful they didn't get a 5-minute major.
Big Hurricane Rana right on target.
Blockbuster! She's really starting to feel the effects of this match.
But time is on her side. This match ain't even close to over.
What a counter!
Each superstar trying to stay a step ahead. One reversal after another. These two are reading each other's minds.
There's press. Hammer it away.
Now that was quite the offensive onslaught. Just has to make sure to keep applying that pressure here.
She can end it here. And she's not done yet.
Keeping a loss at bay for now. Backbreaker.
What a lethal combination there.
Uh-oh. Half and half suplex. Lights out. From breakneck speed, well a hurricanrana. Wow. Corkscrew moonsault. Beautiful.
Lift it up. What's next?
Boom. Big time driver.
Hoisted up high here.
Bounced out of the ring.
She's tossed right out of the ring. She goes back into the ring. She had that scouted.
Well-timed sweep shifts the balance.
She's being derailed here.
Deep into this, and there's no sign of slowing down yet.
Snapmare it over. Precise drop kick to the base of the skull.
Oh, that'll weaken your arm.
Rising to her feet, but basically a sitting duck.
Check out this athleticism into the wheelbarrow facebuster.
She caught all of that.
Oh my God.
Simply unreal, potentially inhuman. Kicking out at one. How on earth?
Can't put this. Oh, look at that. The moonsault.
I don't care who you are. You're not the same after suffering a crash landing like that.
Wow.
Corkscrew moonsault. Beautiful.
Big impact.
Turned inside out with a desperation clothesline.
And she put in the work. Now she's looking for the payoff.
No, 2 count.
She mustered everything she had to kick out there.
Springboard.
Saw that coming and quickly got the knees up.
Oh, could this be it? Hoisted up into a powerbomb position, but steady punches.
With a rain down, some bitch.
Check out this athleticism into the wheelbarrow facebuster. There was simply no way to avoid that.
2.